Using a character AI effectively involves understanding both the platform that you're engaging with and the way the AI interacts with users. Now, first you got to start by choosing a character AI platform that suits your needs. There are many available, ranging from virtual assistant to AI chatbots, with some offering customizable characters and predefined personalities. Now, once you've selected your platform, interact with the AI by simply typing a message. Character AI systems often work through text-based conversations where you can ask questions, engage in dialogue, or even explore its different scenarios. So it's important to understand the personality and limitations of the AI that you're using. Some AI characters are designed to simulate specific personas, while others may offer more general conversational capabilities. So if you're using a customizable platform, you might have the ability to shape the AI's responses and behavior. So this could involve adjusting settings related to tone, style, or focus. For instance, some platforms let you tweak how formal or casual the AI communicates, or whether it should be focusing more on providing facts, engaging in lighthearted banter. Additionally, many character AIs can learn over time. Engaging consistently with the AI helps improve its responses and makes interactions feel more personalized. So whether for entertainment, assistance, or education, using character AI can be a fun and enriching experience when approached thoroughly and thoughtfully.